Hello and welcome to Englicast. In this episode, I will not give you grammar rules or hard words. I will talk to you about a big lie. The lie is, I cannot learn English because it is hard or because I am bad at memory. But the truth is, the problem is not you. The problem is the way others told you to learn. Did you think, why do you stop learning? Many times, you do not stop because you cannot learn. You stop because you feel bored or tired, or you do not see fast results. We live in a fast world. We want fast results. But learning English is not a race. It is a fun journey. Stop each week and ask yourself, what did I learn this week? Am I closer to my goal than last month? These small questions help you see your progress and continue learning with confidence. English is not learned with only paper and pen. Think with me a little. How did you learn your first language? Did you study grammar in your first year of life? Did someone tell you you cannot talk until you know 3,000 words? Of course not. You listened many times. Then you said small words with mistakes. Then you repeated. Then you understood. Then you spoke well. This is the natural way to learn any language. Why don't you learn like a baby? When you were small, you did not say, I want to remember 50 words today. You listened, copied, repeated, made mistakes, then learned. Did you try to treat yourself like a child learning a new language? Don't put pressure on yourself. Don't be shy of mistakes. Don't expect to be perfect from the start. The child does not compare with others. He just enjoys the journey. The old way of learning English always fails. For example, in school, we learned that English means remembering words without a story, studying hard grammar, being afraid of mistakes, waiting for tests and grades. Imagine learning to swim by reading a book about swimming. Will you become a swimmer? Number, you will only learn information about swimming, but you will not learn how to swim. Same with English. You do not learn it without practice and real use, but we feel that we do not have time to learn English. Many people say, I don't have enough time to learn English. But the truth, you have time, but you don't see it as learning time. For example, going to work, listen to a podcast. Before sleeping, read one sentence. Washing dishes, repeat one phrase. Small minutes make a big difference. Do not wait for 3 free hours. Learn minute by minute. Now, let's talk honestly about the biggest mistakes that stop you from learning. Most learners make these mistakes. 1. Word-by-word translation. When you hear, I'm looking forward to it, and you say, I look to the front for it, the sentence feels strange, but it really means, I am excited about it. Learn the full phrase. Don't break it. 2. Remembering words without feeling. If you say the word table 10 times, but you do not see a table, you will forget it. But if you look at a table, touch it, and say, this is a table, your brain remembers it as a real picture. 3. Fear of mistakes. Children are not afraid of mistakes. That is why they learn fast. But adults feel shy. They are afraid someone will laugh. So they stay silent. But silence does not teach English. Trying and speaking is the only way to learn. You do not need high intelligence to learn English. Some people think fluent speakers are very smart or have a gift. But the truth? Most successful learners are just regular, step by step, not afraid of mistakes. It is like building a muscle. You do not need to be a genius. You need practice and time. Let me tell you part of my story. How I stopped being afraid of English. I used to think I was bad at English. Low grades, I felt shy in front of people, and a voice inside me said, "You cannot learn." But one day, I tried a new way. I listened to a podcast every day while walking. I copied the sentences out loud, even if I did not understand all. I stood in front of the mirror and said, "Today, I speak better than yesterday." After some time, I felt English was not outside me. It became part of me. I didn't just remember words. I lived with them. English can change your personality, believe it or not. Did you know learning a new language helps your brain? It changes how you think and how you talk. I saw in myself. I became more open. I became more confident. Sometimes I think in English. Language is not only for speaking, it is also for growing. 5 simple tools can change your learning forever. 1. The mirror, your best training partner. Stand in front of it. Say easy sentences like, "Hi, my name is Ali. I'm learning English." Look at your face, your voice, and your confidence. 2. Daily writing in English. Write a diary, even if your sentences are very easy. Today, I drank coffee. It was hot. I liked it. 3. Podcasts, food for your ears. Listen 10 minutes every day. You don't understand everything? That's okay. Understanding comes later, like music you hear many times. 4. Watch short videos and copy them. Take a 30-second video. Stop it after each sentence. Copy the words and pronunciation. For example, "I don't know what to say, but thank you." Copy it. Record your voice. Then listen to yourself. 5. Cumulative learning. Don't try to remember 20 words a day. Remember only 3, but use them in sentences and repeat them during the day. Repetition plus context equals long memory. How do you know you are improving? Some people study every day but feel no progress. Why? Because they don't write or notice the progress. Try this. Record a video of yourself speaking once a month. Compare the first video with a new one after 2 months. Celebrate every small step. Learning is not a straight line. It is small steps and jumps. Every step takes you closer to fluency. A story from one of our listeners, how his life changed. One of our followers, his name is Khaled, wrote me a message. "I studied English for 6 years, but I could not say one sentence. After using your mirror speaking and daily writing tips for 3 months, I started to speak. Now I work in a foreign company and I do interviews in English with confidence. It is a real story and real results. You only need to change how you learn. English is not the final goal. It is the key to your bigger dream." Think, why do you want to learn English? Is it travel, a job, study? Language is not the end. It is a big key that opens many chances. When you link English to your dream, your heart gets excited. Say to yourself, "I will speak English well because I deserve a better life." This is your challenge. Do this. 1. Choose one sentence you love. 2. Say it 10 times loudly. 3. Record your voice. 4. Listen to it again after 1 week. 5. Do it again with new sentences each week. Start with, "I'm learning English and I love it." Or, "Every day I get better and better." These are not just words. They are a big message from inside you. You are on the right path. Do not listen to anyone who says you need a big school, long study, or special gift. What you need is a true will, a good method, and courage to make mistakes. Language is not only learned, it is lived. Tell me in the comments, what is the first habit you will start today? And did you like this way of learning? Don't forget to subscribe to Englicast and like the video. Because we are changing how we learn English in a way that looks like you.